First, if your login screen is stuck, press and hold the Shift key while restarting your system. This will open the Advanced Recovery mode. Once the recovery mode opens, release the Shift key and navigate to Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options, followed by Startup Settings, and click Restart. After your system restarts, press F5 to boot into Safe Mode. In Safe Mode, you can uninstall any recently installed software that might be causing the issue by opening the Control Panel and going to Programs and Features. Sort the programs by the date they were installed and uninstall the most recent ones. If the problem started after a Windows update, open View Installed Updates, find the recent update, and uninstall it. Next, open the command prompt as an administrator and run the repair command to fix any corrupted system files. After completing the previous steps, your system should be able to log into your profile normally. However, sometimes the problem may return after restarting or shutting down your computer. This happened to me as well. To fix it permanently, here's what I did. I prepared a Windows installation USB. Once I was able to log into my profile, I inserted the USB and ran the Windows setup directly from it. During the installation process, make sure to select the option Keep Everything. This ensures that all your files, programs, and settings remain intact while repairing your Windows system. By doing this, you can effectively fix recurring login issues without losing any important data. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.